My friend, my guide, we have taken a step towards integrating STEM based learning curriculum based robotics. So we'll just guide you through it and then see how we can seek synergies onto it. Today, we're talking about STEM education, learning by making, robotics, electronics, automation, tinkering, experimental study. So they all go into this STEM mode of learning: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Important but difficult to adopt because अभी काफ़ी लोग ऑनलाइन बच्चे कर रहे थे, तो we can see ऑनलाइन में there was a limit beyond which things wouldn't have gone. Fortunately, things are opening up now, so we see this sort of systems to work in. This can be worked in your individual societies as well as in schools. So we can have these kits for schools and societies as we'll progress further. Now, how does it make the STEM education is we provide a kit to you, your parents, or your school. There's a structured curriculum based on these components of the kit, and then we do a teachers training program for your trainers so they're equipped with all the knowledge, and we keep giving them updates regularly. Now, details of the kit are seen in front of you, so they are not loose wires, they are plug and play, which means that there was a challenge कि यार कौन सी wire कहाँ जोड़ना है. It's very neat and very well designed, as you could see in the middle option, middle photograph here. So we also believe that your job should not be to look for wires and then plug them together. You have a conceptual understanding, you put the kit components together. We have an easy intuitive approach. We, rather than putting in terms of basics of language, we talk about logic development, and these kits are based on logic, not on syntax, as we see on the key highlight point there. As you enter the room, motion sensor senses your movement and the light is triggered on through a smart switch. Now this is one of the applications that we talk about. You're out of your house and you don't know when to water your plants, so you learn those systems here. You learn to make Android apps on these basic platforms. MIT App Inventors that we use here. The curriculum can be based of class 3 to class 9 student, 30 sessions for each grade. Curriculum is for 3 years. Bird scarecrow, conductivity, built first circuit. You could see some of these things in front of you, right? So there is a whole pedagogy going into it. And what is the benefit to student? You develop all those ways of thinking. The biggest challenge we face in today's generation is that people lack imagination. This concept is to bring imagination back to your world. We offer setting up of labs in schools as well. So this is the curriculum things that we go in front of the schools. What are the kit components? The kits are there in front of you, and all things are very transparently done. And we talk about online education, but we're not saying primarily online. This can go in classroom as well. So when we do train the trainers program, so instead of attending classes online, we have sets offline classes here. And other details are these are things that you can make from these very kits. Line follow robot, water level alarm. So these things are in front of your screen. You could pause the screen and have a look at that. Again, one kit, unlimited possibilities that we can develop out of these. So the idea is we have a wide range. Our focus is developing logical based thinking in children across the country. So our telephone number and details are given on the screen. Do let us know. We can have a connect with you and then we'll take these things forward. Thank you.